Hello everyone, what's up guys? Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, I have to highlight her hair. First of all, I have to put the cap on her head. Then I will have to comb her hair. Leave one circle and use the other circle. And then the same for the rest of the cap. And for the hair color, I have made a separate video for that. You can visit my channel for this video. And her color is done. Now I have to take out the cap. As you can see, the perfect color. Now I am applying ash hair color. We have to apply and then comb it. Now I have to cut her hair with machine. Wow, so beautiful. Look at this dead straight haircut. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.